Here's my Longnose ceiling fan from 1931. It's got the original mahogany lacquer finish. I'm hoping that I can find the original paint close to this because I want to repaint this. I don't really like it how it's has a lot of paint loss. I wish it was more like this where the little paint loss. I shine it up. It doesn't look perfect, but I don't really care. It's going to be hanging on my ceiling, so it doesn't matter. But other than that, this fan is in really nice shape. Still has the original snap switch. The knob's broken. I'm not going to waste my time fixing it, though. It's still fine. And it has, the switch is in really good shape. And the canopy's there and everything. Even has the original hook, too. I was surprised. It's a lot thicker than I thought it was, but other than that, this fan runs great. I need to add more oil to it and let it run for a little bit, but I just got done with it. New wiring and everything. So other than that, this fan's in really good shape. So here it is on high. This is a really cool startup sound. It's hanging in my basement, so this is about eye level here. So I have to like duck down. This is what it's drawing. It's kind of dirty. There's the amps, the volts. So it's drawing, it's only 10 watts over, but it's because it's drawing on 120. I think it should be running on 115 or 110. But this thing pumps out a ton of air. I know my Ritz was powerful for an 80s fan, but this is really powerful. It is on medium. Can't wait to polish. The blades haven't been polished up with wood furniture polish, but it still has the original mahogany finish on there, which I like. I know some people would strip it off, but I like it how it is, even though it has some damage. It's not perfectly balanced, but it's still good. It's a cast iron blade brackets too, 14-degree pitch. So that's the watts and low, amps, volts. Probably won't run it on high, probably low, but somebody repaired that what's it called? The ceramic top switch, but they didn't do a good job at it. So I'm kind of bummed out about it. Here it is on low. I have two of these, but my other one's missing the blades, the blade brackets. The only ones I have, complete set I have are for Trojan ceiling fans. I think I have 2 blade brackets for that fan, but I'd rather have 4 than 2. I know you could put 2 on there, but I don't like that. There's the watts. There's the amps. Even though it draws a lot, but it moves a ton of air for what it is. That scraping noise is the bearing. I cleaned it out, but it's not perfect. I need to put more oil in it. This thing was gummed up pretty bad when I got it, so I couldn't actually, it wouldn't run at full speed. That moves a lot of air on low speed too. It's kind of loud with that bearing, but I hope it'll quiet down over time. There it is, off. The lighting's not the greatest down here, but it looks black on video, but it's actually of mahogany color, more like the Silver Swan Emerson's. Spin down could be better, but I just got done oiling it and everything, so it's not perfect. Still needs a break in. But other than that, this thing is ready to run for years to come. I can't wait to use it, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.